Artemis II, the mission that will take humans back to the moon after 50 years. What if I told you that after more than half a century, humans are finally going back to the moon? Not just robots, not just satellites, but real people. This is the story of Artemis II, the mission that will carry astronauts farther than any human has traveled in over 50 years, reigniting humanity's journey into deep space. Back in 1972, during the final Apollo mission, humans last walked on the moon. Since then, no one has ventured beyond low Earth orbit. For decades, the moon remained silent, distant, untouched. But now, everything is about to change. Artemis II is NASA's first crewed mission of the Artemis program, a bold initiative designed not only to return humans to the moon, but to prepare us for something even bigger: Mars. At the heart of this mission is the Orion spacecraft, one of the most advanced human spaceflight vehicles ever built. Sitting on top of the powerful Space Launch System rocket, Orion will carry 4 astronauts on a journey unlike any other in modern history. These astronauts are not just passengers. They are pioneers, testing systems that future generations will depend on. The launch itself will be a moment the world will never forget. As the engines ignite, millions of pounds of thrust will lift the rocket into the sky, shaking the ground beneath it. Within minutes, the crew will leave Earth behind, entering orbit before beginning their journey into deep space. But Artemis II is not about landing on the moon. Not yet. Instead, the mission will perform what's called a lunar flyby. After traveling hundreds of thousands of kilometers, the spacecraft will swing around the moon, using its gravity to slingshot back toward Earth. During this journey, the astronauts will reach a distance of nearly 460,000 kilometers from our planet, farther than any human has ever gone. Imagine looking out the window and seeing Earth not as a world, but as a small blue sphere floating in darkness. That moment alone will redefine how we see our place in the universe. But this mission is more than just a breathtaking journey. It's a critical test. Every system on board must perform perfectly. The crew will test navigation, communication, life support, and manual controls. They will simulate emergency situations, ensuring that future missions can be carried out safely. Because what comes next depends entirely on Artemis II. Another remarkable aspect of this mission is its international collaboration. For the first time in history, a Canadian astronaut will be part of a mission to the moon. This symbolizes a new era where space exploration is no longer a race between nations, but a shared human effort. Together, they represent not just one country, but all of humanity. During their journey, the crew will capture stunning images of both Earth and the moon. These visuals will inspire millions, reminding us of how far we've come and how far we still have to go. After completing their flyby, the Orion spacecraft will begin its return to Earth. Re-entering the atmosphere at speeds exceeding 40,000 kilometers per hour, the capsule will endure extreme heat before parachutes deploy, slowing it down for a safe splashdown in the ocean. It will be a dramatic and powerful ending to a mission filled with risk, courage, and discovery. But in reality, this is just the beginning. Artemis II is the bridge to Artemis III, the mission that aims to land astronauts on the moon once again, including the first woman and the next man to walk on its surface. And beyond that, the moon will become a stepping stone, a place where humans can live, work, and prepare for the next giant leap: Mars. So Artemis II is not just a mission, it's a message that humanity is ready to explore again, ready to push boundaries, ready to go farther than ever before. After 50 years of waiting, the journey back to the moon has finally begun. And this time, we're not just visiting. We're here to stay.